everyone, welcome to Chicago. We are currently staying at the Hilton Garden Inn right over here, just north of the Loop, downtown, heading over to the Cubs convention. But first, we're going to take you inside and show you guys our room. Do you want to go take him on the tour? Yeah, Ernie's wearing his coat because it's freezing here. And there's actually snow flurries that are falling. I don't know if you guys can see them, but it's cold, so we have our coats on. All right, let's go inside and we'll show them the room. Yes. Oh, somebody's excited. Hello. What's going on? Are we in Chicago? We're in Chicago. Hey, bud, you want to give the room tour? Oh, I do want to give the room tour. Okay. We are at the Hilton Garden Inn Magnificent Mile, and we are going to be here for 3 nights. We have a standard room with a king-size bed, and when you come in over here, you have your closet, which is fitting our stuff quite nicely. Suitcase, backpack, Ernie's carrier, plus a luggage rack. You got your ironing board, iron up there, extra pillows and blankets. It is currently snowing, so we might need those. Got some hangers, so that's nice. Come back over here, and got a little microwave, and also Keurig. We have our complimentary bottles of water, and we got a little snack bag here. Move my mask out of the way. We got a snack bag when we checked in, which has Doritos, excellent. More water, nice, excellent. Okay, that's it. 2 more bottles of water and a bag of Doritos. Fancy that. Excellent. Okay, then we've got our ice bucket and cups. More cups also back there with our little Keurigs. Underneath, you have your chiller, which we'll go ahead and stack the waters in there so they get nice and cold. All delightful. There we go. Nice cool water for later. And then on the other side, we have a full-length mirror, which is very nice. And then the door over here takes you into the bathroom. You've got your full shower, nice tub, and I don't see any shampoos. Oh, they're over here. They are over here, right there. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, Kleenex, more towels, sink, full mirror, very nice. Extra towels underneath, and over here is your hair dryer and extra toilet paper. All right, coming back out. Coming into the room here, you've got your TV, and you've got some storage under here. If you'd like to unpack, you've got 3 drawers. Very nice. Yep. And you've got your desk over here in case you need to do some work, along with plugs, so you can plug in your electronics. Another mirror over here on the wall. And then you look back over here, when we came in, you see a king-size bed. And look what we have here on the bed. We got a nice little welcome note and some candy. So how nice is that? Very nice. And you got a lamp over here, which has additional plugs and USBs. Very nice. Charge your electronics, and that's on both sides. Over here on this side as well, plugs and USBs on the lamp, as well as your phone if you need to contact anyone. And then we also got a nice little chair over here. I want to sit down. A little table, a little stool. Very nice. And our view is the city. Yep. There we are. All right, I think the first order of business is to go outside and bundle up, put our coats on, check out the neighborhood,